What's up guys, it's Avi from DUCKCHAR. Welcome to another episode of my favorite cooking show, Cooking Stuff with Duck Fat.
Are we gonna do this or what? Scene 6.
Fried chicken sandwiches. There have been actual empires that have been built off the fried chicken sandwich, but for some reason, they're usually not made with duck fat. Is there a conspiracy by the fried chicken industry to keep consumers' hands off the best possible fried chicken sandwich? What's a conspiracy? I'm just a TV host, I shouldn't be asking these questions. Making a fried chicken sandwich with duck fat is just as easy, but DUCKCHAR duck fat does two things. First, it helps to make it even crispier, and second, duck fat enhances flavor. If you make a fried chicken sandwich with duck fat, it will be the best fried chicken sandwich you've ever had in your life. I guarantee it. That's a good line. We're gonna be doing this cook outdoors today with our chef, Matt. Chef? I don't know if I'd call him that. He's really good at cooking with duck fat though. To get started with this recipe, it's super easy. We're gonna use chicken thighs because I'm a thighs guy. We're gonna leave the skin on, but take out the bones. You gotta have skin on when you're frying chicken, it just tastes better. Start by seasoning the chicken thighs with kosher salt and pepper, and then there's gonna be a batter mix of eggs and whole milk. You can also use buttermilk, but we prefer whole milk. Dip the chicken thighs in the batter, and then dip them in a bowl of flour. And then you'll go back to the batter, back to the flour. That's it.
It should look like a light snowfall.
As you can see, there's not really any seasonings you need. The duck fat, the chicken, the frying, it's so good. You don't really have to do anything. We're obviously gonna be frying the chicken with DUCKCHAR duck fat. We like to do it in a heavy pot, like a Dutch oven. Temperature is really important when you're frying for safety and for the cooking process itself. Use a candy thermometer and get that duck fat heated to 325 degrees. You're probably wondering, how long do I cook this for? Well, it's gonna be golden, it's gonna be crispy. Depending on your cooking setup, it's probably gonna take 15 to 22 minutes. Now, for the sandwich, we keep it super simple. Classic fried chicken sandwich. We're using a brioche bun, we're using spicy red peppers, we're using pickles, mayo, and a little slaw that's made up of kale and cabbage. It's so good. I just can't even communicate to you how good it is. This recipe only takes about 30 minutes from start to finish, and you'll be having the best fried chicken sandwiches of your life.
This chicken just couldn't cook fast enough. I'm starving, it smells amazing. I can't wait to eat it.
Excuse me, make sure Matt saves one of those sandwiches for me. I was promised that I would get to enjoy one myself. Thank you. After it's done cooking, let it rest on some paper towels to kind of drain off some of that oil and so you don't burn your mouth when you bite it because you're going to want to eat it immediately.
Alright guys, so what we have here is our duck fat fried chicken sandwich. What we did is we put a layer of spicy red pepper on the bottom of this great plush brioche bun, put some coleslaw on top of that, then we hit it with the fried chicken, hit it with the mayo, hit it with the pickles. Now it's time to eat it. spicy, tasty, rich. That's perfect.
As you guys can see, this recipe is super easy. Duck fat fried chicken sandwiches that are spicy are so good. They're so easy to make. If you guys have any comments or questions, comment below. If you want to learn more about how to cook with duck fat, if you want to buy duck fat, if you want to find more recipes, we've got links for all of that below. That's it. That's all. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
The Colonel's gonna want some of this. This is the best fried chicken sandwich I've ever had.
What do you mean he ate my sandwich? Matt ate my sandwich again? Son of a... Am I gonna have to call my agent about this? I don't like to get in conflict with people. I know there's plenty of duck fat to make more sandwiches, but you just said we're out of chicken. So that means no chicken sandwich for Davi, which means you have a very, very, very unhappy, high-paid, high-caliber YouTube cooking host. Great job with the sparkling mineral water, though. It's delicious. Thank you. All right, that's a wrap, guys. Let's get out of here.